guys, hope you're doing well. I want to show you how to create a portfolio using Framer. So in a Framer new project, as I've been told, the first thing we go to action. This is a new page. You go to action, and we generate a page using AI, and we write a prompt here. So this is my prompt. Create a minimalist page portfolio website for a graphic designer that include a bio, portfolio, and a contact info section. So copy this prompt, then create a minimalist page portfolio website for a graphic designer that include a bio, a portfolio. So you can choose what you want, but for me it was for, instead of graphic designer, I chose network service engineer. So before it was a graphic designer from the prompt we saw in the video, but for me I've chosen network service engineer. So start. Let's wait as it generates a page. So this is a portfolio. Okay. From here now we can just give it a name, but we'll change it later. Like here, my side trial, or we can just say not now. We'll give it later when we want to publish. So I choose the color plate. Let me choose this one. It looks beautiful. You can choose whatever, but let me choose this one. Use color palette. So here, let me remove this because I don't want to include any other link to another page. And here we can give it a name. Can come here to the text. Let me give it a different name first. Okay, let me write my name here, Said Matondo. Then remove this. Okay, you can change the style, the font here. You can change different font. Like here, I can choose maybe this color. Or we can leave it. We can leave it for black. Then it fits. Okay, the center. Dedicated network engineer. We can choose this and play with it. You can change color now for this one. Okay. Now let's move this one. Now here we want to write an explanation of who I am. Like here, like here. Now, like here, I've said who I am and my image, my pic. So let me copy this. So for this section, I must have two sections, one for the image and one for the bio. So I come here to insert section. I choose this one. So I remove this one. So now this one fits my requirements. So the title is this one. I remove these links. This is my bio now. I copy. So I go to text. I can change color. I can choose maybe like this one, or I can choose this one. Let me choose this one. I choose whatever color you want, and the size. Let me reduce the size that can fit in the center. Do the same with this. With the text. Let me make it large. Okay. Okay. Now from here, I have to add an image here. So I must upload it first before I come here. The file, upload image. I choose whatever image. Let me choose this one. Okay. Can choose another one. Upload. We have several images here. I did not rename them. That's why I have to guess whatever image I want. Let me resize. Okay. And go to positioning. Fix it. Okay. Okay, we are good. Now, I had another section. If you have some links, uh, you want to advertise something, or we have some videos we want to share, we can have this. If we don't have, then you can go to contact section, because we have bio and contact section, and we have your name here. So to add this, we do the same. So to add another section like this, let me go to the insert, come the section. Now I choose, okay, this one, as you can see. And just plug it on top. So let me remove this one. Let me also remove this one. So we have now this layout. Okay, I change the color here. Whatever color prefer. Now here we add images. The same process. File, upload, choose image. Then we come here, it's loading, as you can see. File, upload image. And here we can the same process. File, upload. Okay, you can write now. You can write a description of whatever pics you have here. We can add link. Okay. Now with this, now we have the contact section, contact information info section. So I can remove this. Now I remain with this one. tondo@gmail.com. Now we come here to the text and reduce the size, the font. Okay, so reduce the size. Now this is a link. This is a X or Twitter. For this, we can just click this one and come scroll upwards. You have the link. You can copy the link like here. Let me copy the link here. Copy the link address and paste it here. Now when I click here, when we run this portfolio, when I click here, it will direct me to my X homepage. So when I click here Facebook, when I can add the link for Facebook, just copy link address, Facebook, add a link, paste. When I click here, it will take me to my Facebook page. So now this is how we create a portfolio. Now with the images, or we can play with the effects. Like I can click here the image, this image now. I can come with the effects and play with it. Like for example, when I want it to drag, you can drag it. So you can just come here, yes, spring. You play with the figures, how you drag it. And here you can also play with the effects. When you do it, you will see you can do the loop, press, everything, drag, appear. So now this is the desktop page. When you open the desktop, it will appear like this. Let's drag it and see other options. These are tablets. When you are on tablet, it will appear like this. So if you want to reduce this font, you can do so. The font size, you can just reduce. So this is how it will appear on what? On the tablet. You must have another one here for the mobile phone. It will appear later. Let's try now to let's try to publish. Or before, we can try to preview. This is how it is. Preview the tablet. This is how it is. Let me zoom out. Okay, we have this one. This is now how it will appear with your phone. This is how it will appear with your phone. So if it's okay, if it's not, you can just drag it to whatever. You can just customize to whatever you want. Now, as in, you can come here with the text. Reduce the size if you want. So this is how we create a portfolio, and this is how it will appear in different devices. Like here for the phone, this is how it will appear. So if you are satisfied with whatever effects and appearance, you can now come here and publish. So you can write your name or the name of your portfolio, the link, how we want your what's the name of your portfolio. You can just write it here. Like here, I can write Said video port. So I can publish here. From here now, you can just click here and see with the desktop. This is how it is. With the same link, you can share the same link and view it with the phone. So thank you guys.